Hello people, and for this video, we're gonna show you how to play the Please Donate experience on Roblox. So let's just go ahead and get in. And as the name suggests, this is a place where you can go and donate to other users as well as set up your own stand so you can also get donations. So for example, let's look for an unclaimed stand, hold E, and now we can edit that. To buy items, you can click it here, and these are the prices he's selling for. I do not have any Robux, so I cannot buy, but you can confirm the purchase right here. As you can see, I'm selling one item. If you hold E, it is to edit your booth. You can edit what it looks like. This is what I have. You can edit the text, and you can do everything here. So now we're going to show you how you can add these buttons here. First, let's get out of the experience. And once here, let's just go over to More on the left-hand side and go to Create. This will take us to the Creator Hub, and from here, let's go over to Creations. Just click on Your Experience. Everybody will have this by default. And on the left-hand side, just scroll down, go over to Monetization, and go over to Passes. As you can see, this is what we've seen earlier, but to create a pass, simply click on Create a Pass. You can change the image if you want, but this is the default image. So the name of the pass is required, so we can just say something like a thank you message, I guess. You can name it anything you want. Once you create a pass, now it is off sale, and what you have to do is to click on that pass, and on the left hand side you can see basic settings. Go to sales and just tick on the box that says item is for sale. If you price it at 1, you earn nothing since it goes to Roblox. So the best idea is to put 2, so you earn 1 Robux every time you save that. And then let's just go and head over back to Please Donate. Let's go over and find a stall. And there you go. Now we are selling that game pass we just made earlier. Also, you don't have to worry about unclaiming a stand. It will automatically unclaim itself once you leave the experience. Again, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.